Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean cloudy eyeglasses. This will be an easy tutorial with very simple instructions, so let's get right into this awesome video. So if your eyeglasses are cloudy, there are basically two reasons why they might be cloudy. The first reason is that they're simply dirty or smudged, and the second reason is simply that, the clear coat is wearing off or has been, worn off or removed, okay? Now this will fix either of those versions of cloudiness. However, if they're dirty, this will fix it in the long term kind of thing, like until they get dirty again. If the clear coat has been removed, this will fix it in the short term. You're going to have to do this every so often just to sort of get the cloudiness out of them again and again, okay? But yeah, it works either way. It's very simple. I want you to follow these instructions specifically. I'm just going to explain it because I don't have the stuff to do it in the van over here. So what you're going to do is take your eyeglasses off, okay? Then you're going to want to wet them. So just get water and just run them under water. Just wet them, okay? Then what you want to do is get a single drop of dish soap and put it on all of the sides of the eyeglasses. So one drop over here, and then one drop over there, okay? You're going to take your fingers. It's totally fine. Make sure your fingers are wet. Take your fingers and rub that dish soap on the eyeglasses, okay, on the lenses. Let it sit for about a minute just to let it sort of soak in and sort of like be effective just per se. Then what you're going to want to do is rinse it off. So under running water, doesn't matter, cold, hot, warm, doesn't matter. Okay, under running water, rinse it off. Use your fingers to rub off the dish soap. And then once you're done, once they're completely rinsed, get a microfiber cloth to dry them. You don't want to get regular cloth because then you risk, scratching them or smudging them even more, getting them even more cloudy in the future. Get a microfiber cloth, which is like the softest type of cloth that you can get, and then dry them off with that microfiber cloth, okay? And that's basically it. That is how to clean cloudy eyeglasses. Like I said, if they're cloudy because they're dirty, this is going to work in the longer term. If they're cloudy because the clear coat has worn off, then it's just going to work in the shorter term. You're going to have to do this again, basically every day for the most part, but it still works. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.